I look like Nicolas Cage with my hair back like this.
I'm Skyler Bouchard, a food blogger and beauty enthusiast with a genuine curiosity for how the two go hand in hand. Let's talk about matcha. This green tea powder is one of the trendiest foods of this millennium. It looks pretty, it tastes great, and people swear by it as a coffee substitute and in their beauty regimen. Today I'll be going to Naturopathica and I'll be learning about the benefits of incorporating matcha into my skincare routine and my diet. And then I'll be going home to make my very own matcha face mask. This is Treat Yourself with Skyler. If you're up to speed on the latest health trends, or, you know, just scrolling your Instagram feed, you've probably heard about or seen matcha. Though it's fresh in the spotlight to us, matcha has been around for decades. Matcha green tea differs from other teas because it is crushed and ground into a fine powder. By doing this, it keeps all of the locked nutrients of the tea leaves rather than just the essence when it is steeped. Matcha contains antibiotic properties that may combat the potency of viral and bacterial substances. Additionally, it includes traces of essential minerals such as potassium, iron, calcium, and vitamins such as vitamin A and vitamin C, which are crucial for a healthy immune system. Matcha may also help to reduce stress, improve concentration, and give you a jolt of energy from extra caffeine. And since it's full of antioxidants, it does wonders for the skin with its anti-aging properties. And if you know me by now, you know that I'm here for anything with anti-aging properties. And I'm excited to test this out for myself. Let's go. Hi, how are you?
I'm Devin.
I'm
Welcome
Skyler.
to Naturopathica.
Nice to meet you.
Naturopathica Chelsea is a healing arts center and spa in Chelsea where we do holistic massages, facials, herbal consultations, workshops, and have our entire line of Naturopathica skin, body care, and herbal remedies.
Ready for Matcha 101. Oh, hello.
Oh, hello. First, we're going to talk about the internal benefits of matcha. Matcha is a powerhouse of nutrient benefits, from L-theanine, which helps with stress levels. So coffee has been something people usually go to for caffeine, but matcha has that caffeine along with these other benefits. So as you can see from the beautiful green color, it's really rich in chlorophyll. The chlorophyll is going to help protect your skin from environmental damage. So today I want to show you a different way to use matcha. We're going to put it with ultra hydrating, low sugar juices, as well as an herbal supplement that help you really get that radiant skin.
Big step up from my usual matcha latte. I've had like 4 today, so.
So this is your skin radiance tonic.
Oh, thank you. Can I pour it on my face? I'm just kidding. I'm not kidding, but it's fine. Oh my goodness. It's like a green juice. I had no idea there's matcha in there.
Great, ready to head back into our spa?
Yes, let's do it.
Perfect. Before your treatment, if you want to just pop in there for a second, just to unwind. That way, when you get into your treatment, you can get the full benefits.
Calm down from the caffeine.
Definitely.
Oh my gosh. This is so beautiful. I've been a hyperactive person for basically as long as I can remember. I'm always going. I really want to take advantage of this beautiful place and this experience.
Hi, Skyler. How are you? Nice to meet you. I'm Allison. I'm going to be your esthetician today. We're going to do the matcha hand and décolleté brightening treatment today. We're going to focus on using some really great ingredients like matcha, wine extract, carrot seed oil to help brighten and even out the skin tone of the décolleté area and the backs of your hands. We're going to use this great little machine to help the exfoliation process as well as the penetration product when we get to the mask portion. So it'll buzz, but it won't feel strange. So, star of the show, it is matcha time. This matcha brightening décolleté and hand cream is a wonderful way to nourish your décolleté because the skin here is quite a bit thinner and there's less collagen, so it needs a little bit more love than the rest of your skin gets to help keep it tight and firm and smooth and bright. For those of us who are getting a little bit on the older side of things, when we start getting those dark spots on the back of our hands. It's a great way to help brighten that up.
By looking at my hands, how old do you think I am?
Oh, you're in your 20s.
Yeah, but come on, you should say I'm 18.
So Skyler, we are all set. How does your skin feel right now?
Oh, so soft.
Yeah.
I never knew about my hands and how that can show aging. I've always focused on my face and this area too, so.
Very important. This area and your hands give aging away, so always remember your SPF.
Will do. Thank you so much.
Thank you. It was wonderful working with you.
So I look like I'm 21, right?
21, always.
There are lots of different ways to make your matcha face mask. I'm gonna be using matcha and raw agave. I'm using equal parts of matcha and agave, 2 teaspoons of each. And mix. Okay. When you're done, you should have a creamy paste like this. Not the most appetizing looking, but I'm excited to put it on my face. Let's go. And I have a nice brush to apply it to my face. Oh, this is nice. Oh, we can do like warrior marks. Wow, wow. This has the consistency of a mask I would buy at the store. It's really nice. It's thick, not too watery, and it smells great. And we are done. So once you're done, you're gonna let it sit for 10 minutes before you wash off. Now I'm gonna rinse it off with a warm washcloth. I think I'm good. True story, I used to be a coffee addict. I'm talking 7 cups a day, but I've recently learned that the caffeine in coffee is too harsh for my body to handle, so matcha has been a lifesaver for me. I have a newfound love for my matcha latte in the morning, and I'm impressed with how great this stuff is for your skin. See? My new matcha mantra, go green or go home. Thanks for watching, I'll see you next time. Thanks so much for watching this week's episode. Show us some love by giving us a thumbs up. To subscribe to Food Network, click here. To see more videos, click here.